So, talking about another property of light, we come into this property called diffraction. And diffraction is nothing more than bending light. Okay? So, excuse me. Now, let me draw it up here. So, imagine that we have a plane wave of light. And that plane wave is filled with imaginary objects that generate light. Okay? And obviously I'm only going to pick a few of them. I'm not going to pick the infinite number of them. And that plane wave will generate a beam of light that's exactly the same as the other light. It'll have the exact same wavelength. All the other properties. So what it does is it generates a whole series of other patches of light. Now, if I were to add more points in which we generate light from, we would end up getting another plane wave. And then on and on and on and on. Okay? But when light encounters a barrier, like we did in the double slit experiment, that diffraction changes what that light looks like. Excuse me. So imagine that we have light that is right on the edge of this gap. If I'm to create another piece of light from here, so I'll take it, I'll make 3 points per. So this one's going to generate this one's going to generate this one's going to generate that. This one's going to generate this one's going to generate that, and then that. So what you're getting is you're getting a wave that looks like that. Let me draw it further out. So you're getting a wave that looks like, has a little bit of curve, has a flat piece, and then another wave like that. And if I'm allowed to continue to take that out, I'm going to get more of this and more of this, because now I have a generator here, and that's going to create a wave like this, and a generator here, a wave like that. So that process we call diffraction. So the light is allowing itself to bend around that corner. Now, we can also do this with water. We could do this with sound. And it's actually measurable. I mean, obviously it's measurable. When we see the double slit experiment, we know it to be true because of this diffraction. Okay? So that is what's going on here. We're diffracting light, and it's literally bending around the corner. And we take this idea that every point of light on there, or every point of this wave is being generated by all these little points, we can bend light, or bend sound, or bend whatever kind of wave we want. But that's a real quick and dirty explanation of what diffraction is.